Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to cancel an appointment booking in Hostinger website builder. I will also show you how to send this cancellation email in this tutorial. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and go to websites. Now, next to the website that you want to cancel an appointment booking on, click on Manage Store button. And this way, you automatically land on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, to cancel an appointment, simply go to Orders. Then click on or open the appointment you want to cancel, for example, this one. And then make sure that you are on the correct appointment to cancel by checking the customer name, address, and email address. And to cancel this appointment, simply go to More Actions, and select Cancel Order. Once you cancel an order, it can't be undone. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Once you cancel an order, it can't be undone. Send a cancellation email to your customer. By the way, you can preview the cancellation email. And this is the email that your customer will receive. It is a cancellation email. Now click on Cancel Order. As you see, order cancelled. And this is how to cancel an order. Let's go back to the orders page. As you see, this appointment now it is cancelled. And this is how to cancel an appointment booking in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.